sweet save. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to dosatopizza. I'm Constance. So dear friends, it's going to be a lovely Diwali dhamaka where we are going to just make it as sweets and savories. So it's also called as Suvaika Samika Diwali. So this is going to be a lovely session of Diwali sweets. Do not miss each and every episode. It comes in 2 languages, Tamil and English. Whichever language you're comfortable with, please choose. Try these sweets and keep us posted. Happy Diwali. We're going to have a lovely session of sweet save. This save is going to be coated with little sugar and sweet, and it's really yummy one. Do try this. Come on, let's look into how to do this sweet save. Now take this basin flour and we'll just use it through the sieve so that the lumps are being removed and there is an uniform distribution. So that's why we use the sieve here. See, these limbs are getting removed. The sweet save is actually a very wonderful savory which can be used for this Diwali. Now add the rice flour. A pinch of salt, not really more, just a pinch of salt. Should be around 1/4 or a half teaspoon of salt. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Just mix it well nicely so that the butter gets spreads completely to the flour. Now sprinkle water little by little and make it into a nice batter. See, the batter consistency is very important to get the sweet save properly to the right texture. See, we need the texture is very important here. So we'll have to concentrate on the consistency and the texture of the batter. So for that, keep sprinkling water now and then and give it a nice press and make it into a soft dough. Initially it will be very sticky and later on you will be able to get as you keep kneading it, you will get a nice proper consistency dough. So dear friends, I would like to share something with you all. So as you watch dosatopizza for this Diwali and you prepare these sweets and savories, please do not forget to share the photographs of your sweets what you have prepared. Just send us through mail or post it in the Facebook so that we'll feel so happy. So it will be really nice to show about you all and talk about you all in the coming shows also. Now look at this texture, it's fine. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us. Heat oil in a pan, and this is actually the original traditional method which was being followed on earlier days. This is the bundi ladle. It will have a bigger size holes. So take a big ball, press it against the ladle. Can you see? It will fall in small strips. This is how originally and traditionally these saves were prepared. So all the bhujia kinds and all the save kinds were prepared like this. This was the old and traditional method. If you're comfortable with this, you can do it. Otherwise, there is a very simple method which I will be showing now. So look at this. They are thin strands. We need not break these actually. If you're going to follow this method, we need not break them. Straight away we can just like that press it, allow it to get cooked and remove it from oil. Now grease your chakli or muruku press. So this is kind of hole you should have in the chakli. Take a small ball, put it inside, and in the hot oil, let it be in medium flame. Give it a big muruku or a chakli. Can you see this one? And now look at this. See, the size of the save itself is little big. We need not bother about the shape. Anyway, we are going to break them to small pieces. So once the sizzling of the oil stops, we can remove it from oil. So it's done. This is a very simple method. So depends on whichever is convenient for you, you can choose that method. Once the sizzling reduces, you can turn it to the other side. Meanwhile, look at the sugar syrup. Add sugar to the vessel. and add similar cup of water. Now to the syrup, we'll have to see that we get a very thin consistency of sugar syrup. It should not be thick one, it should be thin, and then later it should go to the thicker side. So that's what we need. So initially it should start with thin, and now as the heat goes up, the syrup will become thick. That should be around 2-string consistency. Final stage should be around 2-string consistency. So to get that, now once the thin one comes, wait for some time, and slowly what will happen is the thickening of the syrup will happen. At that time we should break this thin sieve and put it into the syrup, and completely we'll have to coat the sieve. Again put it to heat, give it a mix, and now we'll be stirring it nicely so that the syrup is getting spread completely to the sieve. Now because it is reaching the double string consistency, what will happen is the coating of this syrup will slowly turn into white color. So that will be really yummy and nice. So that white coating, now it looks like transparent thin coating, but as time goes, within 5 to 10 minutes you can see it will become white in color. You will have a nice white coating of sugar. It will not be thick clumps, but it will be like a powder coated sieve. So that is this thin sieve. Sweet sieve is actually a very lovely sieve which can be tried. So look at this. So the sweet sieve is ready. Please do not forget to take pics of your sieve or sweets what you have done from dosatopizza and send it to us. Sweet sieve is looking really yummy. Can you see? It's having a nice coating of white sugar on it. And here within, can you see a small hole? So that ensures that it's going to be very crispy, but at the same time nice and soft. It will melt like when you put it into your mouth. So lovely sweet. Do try this. Dosatopizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosatopizza. Thank you and bye bye.